Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Fat Guy Fixer Upper. So, on today's episode, I'm going to try to clear off as much snow as I can off these solar panels on the roof. Why? Because I'm only getting 2.4 volts from the solar panel. And, well, that's not good. So, as you can see, there's a crap ton of snow up there. I'm going to try to scrape off as much as I can. I don't know how successful I am. It is only 20 degrees outside, which is surprising. I don't see my breath. Weird. Well, anyways, so that's going to be today's goal. And, well, unfortunately, there's not going to be really that many close-ups of what I'm doing because, yeah, I'm not going to be able to go up and down the ladder and adjust the camera. So basically, you're going to be watching from this view the whole time. So let's get going. All right. You want to know what the noise is? My dad's working on his truck. It backfires on you. Not even much now. So you guys want to know what that noise is? My dad's working on his truck. I thought you were going to school and stuff. There's a lot of problems with it. It's not going to be dangerous, but there. I do. Yeah. All right, moment of truth. Let's find out what we got. Okay. We're getting 2.2 volts. What? What? 13 point. Oh, fast battery. I'm still reading 2.2 volts. This one's reading 2.8. I'm guessing there's too much ice on them still? Or did I hook something up wrong? As far as I know, everything's hooked up correctly. As far as I know. Thing still says 2.2 volts, even though I just shut it off. Try this again. It's not getting any amps, but it's getting voltage. Well, let's test some stuff out. I'll take this off first. I note this has live electricity in it, so gotta be very, very careful. All right. There's a negative. Yeah, it's only getting 2 volts. Oh, dang. Why? Why would it be getting only 2 volts? Well, stink. It could be because there's a thick surface ice on top of the roof, or on the solar panels, excuse me. It's a sunny day too. Drat. So I'm gonna have to figure this out. It could be also because the lines are frozen. Maybe, I don't know if the extreme cold freezes power lines or something. I'll have to look that up. Well, that sucks. Well, I guess I'll move on to something else. So what else can I do for today? I'm not sure. Oh, I'll stick water in the, well, you know what? I'm going to pause here for now and then resume later. So I'll be right back.